Well, I'm on the N5. If you can hear me, I'm on the M5 now, right? And my sat nav says 56 mile an hour at the bottom. My speedo says 56, 57, somewhere around that. But my MPG, 43 to the gallon. That'll do. Well, 43, yeah, 43 dead on. That'll do for me. Just found a lorry doing 55, 56. He's breaking the wind for me, and I'm up to 45 to the gallon now. I'm doing 55 according to the sat nav. Still doing the same on my speedo. There's always a 3 mile difference in sat nav speed and your own speed. Still bloody busy though. I forgot to say why I'm out. I'm still doing 55, still stuck behind this truck. Well, not stuck, but I mean it's breaking the wind enough. Now I'm on, I don't know whether you can see it or not, 47 miles per gallon, and that's how I normally drive. Put it this way, I can put my foot down if I want to, but what's the point? As you can see, road ain't very smooth, but yeah, 47 mpg, 55, 56, keeps flickering backwards and forwards. I'm at the Rainbow. Change of plan. The other one wasn't open when I came by, so I've come this way a little bit further down, and it's called, I'm on my phone now, so, and I'm trying to zoom in. I don't know whether you can hear in the background, but I'm parked up here, and I've got this view. I've got this view out through my side door, but I've also got this horrible great big black one coming over. I don't know whether you can see, it is raining, drizzling to start with, big drops. It's all over my phone. Yep, I thought I wasn't recording then. But all the crows seem to be flying towards it. That is a big black one, that is. He's definitely dumping a load on us now. I'll take a walk down there tomorrow because there's a big pond. All behind those trees is a big pond, where you can just about see it through there. So I'll go and have a look at that tomorrow, if it's dry. Only if it's dry. Morning, people. It's now 6 AM. Pub's definitely shut. And you can see on the lawn they got an automatic lawn mower. I wondered what that was when I woke up, because it was still dark when I woke up, and these lights were walking up and down the lawn. It just keeps turning itself and mowing continuously. Must have a pattern to do. But anyway, lots of swans on the pond down there. I don't know whether you can see that or not. But as you can see, there's no way I'm walking down there because it's still drizzling. So there's no way I'm walking down the ponds. So I do apologise over that. But anyway, it's Rainbow on the Lake. I think it's called Rainbow on the Lake. That's where I am. And it's just outside Stonehenge. Beautiful day. Piddling down. Absolutely piddling down. I am at South Central 11th meetup, so there's quite a few up. Mind it is now 9:15. Again, I had a lie-in this morning. I didn't get up until 7. I'm right on the end here. Out of the noise, really. So I'll go for a walk up. Which alley, which side I'll walk up. I gotta take my knife out of my pocket because it's rattling against my tin. Right, I'll walk up this one. Luke's granny granddad. Luke's mummy dad. Luke. Browns. Campervan vibe. Can't remember his name. Nice lad. They come regular. Greg Virgo. He was up till gone +1 this morning. Greg 2 with the extended frame Sprinter. Don't know who this one is. Starrens. Let's walk up through here. Can't remember. Good morning. You're gonna be on film? It wasn't you, it was you.
We didn't keep you up too much last night, did we?
54 here so far. According to Darren, it's 54. Well, there's 54 paid. So, and they didn't get by the gate. Beautiful. I'm not going to walk all the way down there. Although that is a kennels down there. Finally, Jack Russell. Yeah. So, that's it. I'm going to go back and I'm going to cook myself some breakfast. Sausage, bacon, eggs, beans, toast. Watching YouTube, drinking tea, making a mess. Eggs, sausage, bacon, thick cut. Oh, now it's steamed the camera up. Still raining. Windows all steamed up now because I got the bacon on that frying. What time is it? 9:20. Yep, so that's Saturday morning after a walk. Breakfast time. Roughly made the bed. Done the washing up. I had to be able to get enough plates to cook breakfast. Well, I can't hear you, but I can mentally hear you. Why was that the last time I saw my drone fly off into the distance? I bloody sold it. Why did earth did I sell my drone? I sold it, but I only got peanuts for it. Let it go. And I hear you say, why on earth did you let that go? I mean, to me, a drone footage on a video can sometimes make a video.
will be the unboxing. Because I got a mini.